Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Finecare Prolactin Rapid Quantitative Test. You can see the reference part number and also the lot number and the expiry duration and the storage temperature. This is a 25 test kit pack and it's a CE certified and IVD certified product. You can see here it has 25 cartridges and one ID chip and one instruction use, 25 pipette tips and also 25 deduction buffers. This is how the total box looks like. Let me go around the box for you. This is from Wondfo from China. Okay, this is how the box looks like. I'm going to unbox this for you. Inside the box you have the leaflet, the insertion for use leaflet. It says Finecare Prolactin Rapid Quantitative Test. Let me quickly go through this intended use. The Finecare Prolactin Rapid Quantitative Test is a fluorescence immunoassay used along with Finecare FIA Meters for quantitative measurement of prolactin in human whole blood, serum or plasma. The test is used as an aid to the evaluation of pituitary endocrine function. This leaflet of instruction has the complete details about the precautionary measures and test procedures, test preparation, and how can you interpret your test results. So you have the complete details. You can see this quality control procedure, limitations of the procedure. You have the complete details to complete your test procedure. And inside you can see one ID chip. This ID chip you can see show here. It has the marking of the test type and also the lot number. And again inside you see 25 pipette tips. 25 pipette tips. You can see this here. And there is a 25 piece of reduction buffer. So like transparent color. You can see the individual liquids and individually packed extraction buffers. Reduction buffer you can see. It says Finecare Prolactin Rapid Quantitative Test Deduction Buffer, 25 numbers. You can see the lot number. The same lot number is also mentioned in the ID chip. You can see that. You see that? Yes, you can see the temperature range and also the expiry duration. See, I will mark. This is how the buffer liquid looks like. Inside you have the 25 test cartridges. Let me pull two pieces for you. Let me place it here. You can see it says Finecare Prolactin Rapid Quantitative Test. Reference part number, lot number, manufacturing date and the expiry date. It's a single pack and you can also see the other side which has the manufacturing address. This is how the total box looks like. Just quickly to summarize here, today we are seeing the unboxing of a 25 test kit pack of Finecare Prolactin Rapid Quantitative Test. In each of this box you get one in leaflet with instruction for use and one ID chip and 25 pipette tips and 25 deduction buffers and 25 test cartridges. This is how the total test kit looks like. Thank you.